This is a multifunctional camping flashlight with a built-in stand, no need to buy extra. With 3 fan blade lights that can be opened and flipped separately. A safety base, make the light more stable when it lands. Warm light color, makes it more atmospheric. A small hat, make it more fashionable. Fold up, can be used as a long-range flashlight. It can be telescopic zoom, floodlight and spotlight, very convenient. Hook design, you can hang it from hooks and branches. A hidden charging port, more mysterious. If you like this product, welcome inquiry us.